This time, I'm going to give you the Mi Mix Fold. Let's take a look.
Walking with the shadows, echoes flowing, colors glowing, dream away in the diamond sky, shining bright, beautiful.
Beautiful, isn't it? So this is the Mi Mix Fold. I've been using this product for a while, and I truly feel that this product is powered by a large foldable display, and the user experience is magnificent. A display like this, when you wake it up, that very moment is magnificent and stunning. This is a true full display, without any cutout or dot on it. Mi Mix Fold. We also support the Dolby Vision technology. Incomparable with foldable display. This display is 2.01 inch big. This is also a WQHD plus display. It has 387 ppi. And this is a foldable AMOLED display. So these are the specs here. Very powerful. It supports P3 color gamuts with 1.07 billion color, the true color display, and HDR10 plus, and I will not dive into details. When we talk about foldable display,
we want to give you the best experience of a foldable and expandable screen, and we have a quad speaker to go with it. As a quad stereo speaker, I think this is probably the first smartphone that supports 4 or quad channel stereo speakers, and we also are tuned by Harper Heyman. By Harman Kardon. It offers optimal security for the business people, and some business people still miss the feeling of using laptops. That is why we have what we call desktop mode. With 3-finger swipe, you enter this desktop mode. We can also call that PC mode. In the palm or at your fingertips. And this is the menu that you are all very familiar with. That is lunch. And here the command center that you all know very well. It also supports multiple windows at the same time. And you can operate these different windows at the same time. These windows can interact with each other. And when you have Mix Fold with just a 3-finger swipe, you can use it as a PC at your fingertips. And we really invested into the big screen experience. There are a lot of interesting ways to play with it. When you surf on Weibo, the Chinese Twitter, well, just one tap. To the left, you still can see the feed, and to the right, you can actually watch video clips, comments. And you can, just click an image, and on the right side of the screen, you can share it with your friend on different social media. And when you go through an album, you can just select all photos and drag them and drop them in WeChat. How business people need to use it. So we have 5,200 mAh battery. 1520 for a foldable phone is definitely the ceiling because foldable displays take a large space already. And in order to fit 5020 battery into that space is definitely no joke. And we also support 67 watt of quick charge. It is a large display equal to a tablet, and when you collapse it, it is a flagship phone. Speaking of flagship, you want to know the specs and performance. So what is performance like? Well, it supports a Qualcomm 888, the most advanced processor, mobile processor. We also support the butterfly cooling system.
So this is Mi Mix Fold. For such a fine foldable display, it's a little expensive. It will be $9,999, and we have two editions. One is 12 plus 256 GB, 9,999, 12 plus 512 GB, 10,999 Chinese yuan.